Welcome to training session. We have 265 sessions. First, we get inside 3D screen by using ViewCube tool. From 3D Tools menu, select Mesh Cone option. Specify diameter and height. Right-click. Repeat the command. Now for more effect with tape shade in command line. And using Orbit command, we rotate drone shape in 3D dimensional space. In 2D space, from Home menu, select Polygon option. First, we enter number of sides. For example, we enter number 7, 5, or anything. Then we draw center and radius. Inscribe circle. Circumscribe circle within polygon. Click right means bottom. Repeat command. Let's turn off the ellipse command. We have three choices in drawing ellipse. By selecting each of them, shape is drawn. By subscribing to channel, you will benefit from 265 AutoCAD training sessions.